to San Diego because there was no rain.
It's an eerie feeling for a local flower company anytime there's rain in the forecast. Its Mission Valley warehouse has flooded not once but twice in the last 3 years. With Valentine's Day around the corner, ABC 10 News reporter Ryan Hill explains the stress the company is having to overcome during its busiest time of the year.
This is the Super Bowl.
Valentine's Day is the big day for florists.
Yeah, we got our flowers in this morning. We're getting everything cleaned, processed, counting everything in.
Natalie Gill is the co-owner and co-founder of Native Poppy, a local flower shop. With the rain on Wednesday and more in the forecast, she's hoping her warehouse stays dry.
I do not like the rain. I do not like it. No, I don't.
She's got a pretty good reason for not liking the rain.
We flooded on New Year's Day. We're back up and running, but we just got the drywall back up, and it's still missing in some parts of the room. We just got the bathroom back up. There's no sink in the bathroom right now. We've gotten it all back up and running to the point that we can make Valentine's Day flowers. So we just got both of our delivery vans back. They were both in the shop. We are so grateful they didn't get totaled this time.
The last time Native Poppy got flooded out, Gil walked me through the damage. It happened during the January 2024 storm. I also chatted with her co-owner just after the New Year's Day about the latest flooding. Both of those floods happening right before Valentine's Day.
It is always so stressful when it rains, and just knowing that, like, we're sitting ducks in a way. Like, this is where our studio is, and it's in a flood zone, and just praying and manifesting that it will stay dry and be mild.
With heavier rains expected on Monday after Valentine's Day,
I thank goodness it is going to be after we have all of our orders out. That's always the first thought when it rains, when it floods. Like, whose wedding's going to get affected? Whose flower orders are going to get affected?
and they're going to make sure they don't get affected after the holiday too.
We're going to move everything up even higher than we did last time. We're going to prepare even more because we can't let it happen again.
Ryan Hill, ABC 10 News.